What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your wing mirror cover. I know I've showed you guys how to remove the indicators as well, so pretty much that's exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to be removing these ones because I've got the carbon fiber one in the post today. I actually really like the details of these ones, they look really nice. But here's the other one as well. I think there's still previous person there still leaves some paints on there as well, but anyways, hopefully they fit perfectly fine. Same procedure again from the last video. I'm not too sure if you've seen that yet, but all you need to do is put these back and get one of these tools from the bag. You'll probably have the tools them ready already anyways. So I'm going to be using these this one right here. Actually got these ones are for things inside the vehicle. Go down towards the mirror and you put around the corners, bend it until it pops out, just like that. I know some people might find this a bit easier by removing these bits, but I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to be removing those screws that's inside there, but with this special tool right here. Using this tool to be removing it. So I'm going to be removing this section first, which is small screws should be in the middle. First screw, these ones are, make sure you keep these screws very safe as well. Still got undoing. There we go. I'm just going to leave everything hanging because it's a very long procedure putting them back. The next one I'm going to be doing, you have one screw here, there, and there. So I'm just going to be removing them bit by bit. There we go. Do the other side now. Got another screw right up to the top. Come on. Taking off all the screws, you're going to need something flat to be removing all the clips. So you got one clips right behind this cable right here that you need to flip up. You got another one in the corner right there, and you have another one under there, but you can't really see it right now. And you have one more clip that's under there, and you have one in here, and that's pretty much it. So once you undo those clips there, right there we go, those clips have been taken off. One more clip right there should be coming off this way. There we go. Just trying to extend this bit more, and that's pretty much it from this part. So all you need to do is just take off this cover right on this side. So these clips are more likely at the back right here. There's gonna be one over this side. Pushed it. Yeah, I have to push this one back. You got clips in the corners right there, and you have a clip under here as well. There we go. Just need to do the back, and that's it. There's just these clips up here was more difficult, so you have to flip these two up and then push the ones at the back and to get it out like that. So that's much. Once you got the cover, all you need to do is just line up the top of the cover with the lining at the back. Once you do that, it should be easy to slot in just like that. And that's pretty much it. Just double check to make sure there's nothing overlaying or anything like that. That is solid on. Once you've done that, that's pretty much it. You just need to put everything back in place. That shouldn't be taking that much long, to be honest. There we go. That bit is just fully on now. You need to screw that bit up. So this bit, it should be the long screw right here. Just drop it back in the middle like that. Right position by pushing the cable back. There we go. Back in its perfect place. You just need to screw back up. I'm only screwing this bit up right here. Then I'll just do the small screws them after that. So you're just doing exactly the same thing that what you done before, but when unscrewing it. Alright guys, I put the mirror back in and everything back in place right now. So that's pretty much it. That's the other side need to be done now. Alright guys, once you have completed, pretty much this is what the carbon fiber looks on with the new indicated light. I think the carbon fiber really look nice on the vehicle, to be honest. It's not that as bad as it would be as I was expecting, but there we go, everything is in place, everything looking nice. I've done both sides of the vehicle, so I'm just going to show you, even though I didn't show that in the video, but I just done that a bit separately. There we go, got this side has been completed as well. You can see the indicators light is going off as well. Those have been installed from the last video. That means everything's working perfectly fine. There we go. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a thumbs up. See you in the next video.